What's good, man? Welcome back to Jailbreak Trades and Stocks. We spilling all the info that they don't want you to know, and I ain't gonna keep y'all too long today, man. I just want to give a shout out to everybody that bankrolled in the Discord today. I want to give y'all my rationale on how I made 100% gains on 10K worth of stock options today, and also I want to explain how I took a small loss on SPY yesterday, so y'all can learn to avoid what I did wrong, man. So without further ado, let's get straight into the money. Now, I'm gonna start screen recording on my laptop so I can give y'all the rationale on how I made 10K in roughly an hour this morning, man. And if y'all don't believe me, I'm gonna put the gains right here so y'all know we not doing no capping, no flogging around here in Jailbreak Trades, man. So as y'all can see, I was looking at Tesla this morning and I had the 240 level charted to the downside. You understand what I'm saying? Why did I have this 240 level charted? Let's put this on the 5-minute. Why did I have this 240 level charted? Because it's a big psychological level, and it was the next level under the 241 level that I saw was trying to get broken in pre-markets. And after I saw that it had a lot of downside sentiment, which is a lot of sell-off pressure off the market opens, after it had this little pump fake up and a big move down. After it had this pump fake up and it's a big move down, I said, okay, let's see how I can play this and where it starts to make a new resistance. You understand what I'm saying? So I turned it to the 1-minute time frame to see, excuse me. I don't know why I put that on 1 month. But I put it on a 1-minute time frame to see how it was reacting and see how it was going on this downtrend, man. So after I noticed that it wound up pulling back and it's going on a downtrend because it broke this key level, I'm like, all right, let me start looking for my entry on a 1-minute time frame. I looked to the 1 minute for my entry and the 5 to 15 minutes for more of an overall sentiment of where the stock is going intraday trading, you feel me, throughout the trading day. So as it was consolidating, bouncing up off this little support, it kept hitting and respecting this 20 EMA. So I said, okay, after it pulls back, hits the 20 EMA and shows that it's going to keep respecting it, I'm going to get in. And this was damn near a perfect entry on Tesla. You understand what I'm saying? I got in right here. It came down, came back up a little bit, only trying to retest this big sell-off area on Tesla. You understand what I'm saying? At around 240, again, I say it's got slammed down. And we seen 100% by staying patient on this. And you see how it only took Tesla to go from 240 down to 236 roughly. Like I always tell y'all, a 100% gain, a full double up, some life-changing money can only be a $5 to $10 move in options trading. You understand what I'm saying? Because it's more volatile and it makes more sense than holding long shares. You understand what I'm saying? Then we played Tesla again right here after it retested this heavy resistance that it kept getting pulled down from earlier throughout the day, man. I told everybody in my Discord, which I'll put right here, to hop in puts after it pulled back and retested this resistance, man. I want to teach y'all something in this video today. If you don't walk away with nothing else from this video, man, remember to never buy calls near resistance and never buy puts near support until certain key levels is broken and held for at least 2 5-minute candles. You understand what I'm saying? This will help you avoid the fake outs to the market. This will help you maximize your profits, because if you look at this, if I would have caught calls right here at resistance and then it got yanked right down, that risk to reward wouldn't have made any sense. I would have A, it got stopped out quick, or B, would have been chasing losses all day, man. So just wanted to show y'all that on Tesla. Now we go to ticker symbol SPY. Got it on stocks. Let's go to all. And I want to go to yesterday, man, and show y'all why I took a L on ticker symbol SPY. So now, as y'all can see, this thing got yanked down in the morning right off opens, right? It broke a key level. I should have hopped in puts if I was going to ride the puts right here after this key level got broken and put my stop loss higher than this. You understand what I'm saying? That would have made my entry point make sense. But instead, I waited till it got all the way down here, near which was once support in the pre-markets and resistance the day before. Every time that resistance get broke, it turns into what? Support, man. So this was only coming down to retest what was now support, and then it shot up soon as I got in, man. I did stop my loss at a 15% loss, man. And you can do that on TradingView by going here, going to the forecast, put a short long position so you can visually see where you need to be getting stopped out of your trade at, to again minimize your losses and maximize your wins, man. Because this game isn't always about if you're winning all the time. This is not what this game is about. It's about winning way more than you're losing. You understand what I'm saying? So with that being said, man, I ain't going to keep y'all for too long. Just keep this in mind while y'all are trading next week, man. Leave a like on this video if y'all want us to keep dropping the free game on y'all, man. Hit that subscribe button. And without further ado, I'm going to talk to y'all soon.